excited you're here. I have something that you are going to love. You are going to want to help me make it, I think. Check this out. I just printed off my very own coloring book. Look! Look! It's got a picture of me and Dax and Hash Brown and the solar system because it is the coloring book of the solar system! Isn't that amazing? Do you want to help me color it? I knew you would. Okay. Now, we just need something to color with, right? It's kind of an important part. I'm actually running kind of low on art supplies. The Maker Box. You always have what we need. Maker Box, do what you do. Ah, yes! A brand new box of colored pencils. Oh, I love a fresh colored pencil. Huh? What? A note? We colored pencils love to color, but today we just want to play. Come find us if you think you can, and then color your coloring book, you may. What? We have to go find the colored pencils before we can color? That sounds awesome. Let's do it. All right, a colored pencil hunt. I'm so excited. I thought outside would be a good place to start because it's fall right now here, and there's so many beautiful colors with fall. Like, oh, this beautiful orange pumpkin. It's so Look at this. Our first colored pencil, orange. It's an orange colored pencil on an orange pumpkin. I bet all the colored pencils are hiding with their colors. Let's go color with this one and then we'll come back and find the rest. Come on. Orange, check. But we know there's way more colors in the solar system, so let's keep looking. If you see anything, let me know. Maybe we should make like a colored pencil call. Like when you see one, you could be like, colored pencil, colored pencil. Or should it be more of like a code, like a, do you know how to whistle? Look, green. Green. This will be great for the planet Earth. Colored pencil hunt. Colored pencil hunt. Okay, we need another color. Let's get looking. Hash Brown, have you seen any? Dogs are colorblind. That's no help. All right. The blue one wouldn't be in the sky. That doesn't even make sense. Do you see any? Oh, good eye, my friend. Yellow on yellow. Colors. Hey, friend, I'm taking this very seriously. Look at these berries. Wow, that's gonna be delicious for a bird.
Yum, yum, yum.
Keep looking. Hi, tree. Excuse me, I'm on a color hunt. This has great potential for like a yellowy, greenish. Oh, look. cool. We have this green, and then we have now a yellowy green, which, yeah, look at this leaf. It's changing colors because it's autumn. This eventually is gonna turn yellow, maybe a yellowy brown. And so right now, it has more yellow tones to the green, which, so does this colored pencil, and so is our solar system. Soon, come on. Red. That's amazing. Let's see. Oh, there's a football right here. No brown. Oh, yellow green. We already found that. This is pretty fun. Ah! Blue! So glad Dax leaves all these toys outside to give us such good content. Blue. Exciting. This has Neptune written all over it. Hi, buddy. Hi, little brown dog. Hash brown? Wait a minute. Light brown? On you? Has this been in there the whole time? Would you do me a favor? Rewind and see if you can see this sticking out of his collar the whole time. But you know what? We're right. Hash brown, you are light brown. And so are parts of the planet Jupiter. Let's go. I love that we're looking for colors, but we're also finding all this beauty just right here in the backyard. Oh my goodness. Look what you found. It's a caterpillar. It's so cool. Let's see. It's kind of orange, a little browner than that. Maybe a combination of these two with some black on the top and the bottom. What is she doing? Are you eating the stick? Look at those little feet. She looks so soft, but I'm not gonna touch her. I want her to stay nice and safe. We're gonna go find more colors now. Bon appetit. All right, we have blue, green, yellow, yellow-green, brown, and orange. We really need a red. I'm not really seeing any reds in here. Ow! Oh! Ah! Look! Red leaf, red colored pencil, and great red spot. This is the biggest, bluest thing I can think of in my backyard. Let's see. See, this is just kind of blue, though. I need a light blue. Do you see anything? What? Oh, you're so good. I'm gonna have to jump for that one. Ready? You think I can do it? You're a good friend. Woo! I'm coming for you. Light blue. I'm coming for you. Light blue. Can you get my rebound? Perfect for Uranus. Let's do this. I jumped, I colored, I'm tired. Black. Thank you for making yourself easy to find because I'm about worn out. Wow, yeah, look at this. This rock has so many amazing colors in it. Look at this. I could have just walked right by this, but when we're paying attention like artists, we notice beauty in everyday things. Look, here's the yellow green right there in the moss. Here's a darker green. We have some light brown. Oh, there's even some black. I wish we had a dark brown. That would really let us get all of the different colors. We might need to climb. I'm coming for you. I'm coming for you. Yep, perfect. And it's gonna add the final touch to our planets too. Let's go finish up those colorings. You can get your own Kylee Makes It coloring book by asking a grown-up to go to KylieMakesMerch.com. Magic colored pencils not included. That was so much fun. We did some great coloring and some great finding, didn't we? We colored Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. But most of all, we had fun doing it. I love hanging out with you. If you want to watch more videos like this and do other fun things, just search for Kylee Makes It. Kylee. That's me. I'll see you soon.